Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare zinc primer versus red oxide primer. Zinc primer provides exceptional corrosion resistance by actively protecting the metal. It's especially effective for steel structures facing severe outdoor conditions, like marine or industrial settings. Its high zinc content, often 80 to 95% in the dry film, creates a sacrificial layer that prevents rust. Now, let's look at red oxide primer. This type of primer works by forming a robust physical barrier, sealing the metal surface from moisture and oxygen. It's a popular choice for general-purpose protection on iron and steel, particularly in less aggressive environments. Red oxide primer is typically more cost-effective, making it suitable for projects with budget considerations. The main difference lies in their protection mechanisms. Zinc primer offers active, sacrificial protection, making it superior for extreme conditions like marine or heavy industrial exposure. Red oxide, on the other hand, provides passive barrier protection, which is sufficient for indoor use or areas with mild corrosion risks. Zinc primer also typically comes at a higher price point. When deciding between them, consider your specific application. For critical outdoor structures exposed to harsh elements, zinc primer is the clear winner for long-term durability. If your project involves indoor use or less severe conditions, red oxide primer offers a reliable and more economical solution. Always match the primer to the environment for optimal results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.